Video Solutions, Unit 2, Roots and Radicals, homework packet 12 to 13 on September 30th, 2013. And who do we have with us for the video? Oh, I can't hear you.
Joey.
Alex.
Sebastian.
Oscar.
All right. Simplifying perfect square radical expressions. So some of these are pretty easy. So the square root of 25 is
5.
Okay. The square root of 64?
It is.
Okay. When we have a negative in front of a square root, what do we do?
It's no solution. No.
Remember, you have these
It's a negative.
Yeah, the negative isn't part of the square root, so it just follows along, and then we do the square root.
So it's negative 9.
All right. D, when I have the square root of a negative 81.
It's a no solution.
Yeah, because there is no number times itself that is negative. No, there isn't a number, because if it was negative 9, what's negative 9 times negative 9?
81.
Positive 81. So this is no solution. It's impossible. There is no number times itself that's negative. Positive times positive is
No, positive.
positive. Negative times negative is,
Positive.
and then you only have negative times a positive or positive times a negative.
But-
They aren't the same, are they?
Yeah, it's the same.
Okay, square root of 49.
7.
Okay, when I have the square root of fraction, what can we do with it?
Yes.
Split it.
Yeah, so I can take the square root of the numerator over the square root of the denominator and deal with them separately. So that's going to be 5/7. Can that be simplified?
Nope.
No. Okay, G.
You can't do it.
All right, letter G. Square root of negative 16 over 121. What do you notice about that one?
Negative.
Negative on the inside. So what do we know about that?
So solution.
No solution. It's impossible. All right, down here. Okay, square root of 36 over 144.
That 36 is 6,
Okay.
and it's 12.
Okay, so what's 6/12?
1
1/2. So you don't have to rewrite it like this if you don't want to. If you understand that it would be the square root of each, that's fine. Okay, I.
That's going to be 5, 7.
7's good. J.
Negative.
Negative, and then
Negative 10.
5 over 10, which is
1/2.
negative 1/2. Don't forget the negative. Okay, square root of 64.
8.
All right, here's the decimals. How many decimal places do you see?
No, 4.
4, so how many will you need in your root? 2. So right away, I would just put 2 there. All right, what is 81?
0, 9.
9, all right. You're right on top of it. Okay, M.
That's negative 5.
No, because it's 0.25.
Okay.
Point negative.
So there's 2 decimal places, so how many will be in our answer?
1.
1. So what times 1 is 25?
5.
There you go. She didn't have to put that 0 in front. Okay, so N is like I. So once you do practice, you start to see problems that are the same. So what's the square root if I have 4 decimals?
That's
004.
You can have 2 decimal places. Okay, O, square root of negative,
no solution.
because it's a negative on the inside. Easy stuff. Okay, simplify each square root. Square root of 289.
That's going to be 17.
Okay, negative, square root of 400.
20.
I think that's a negative there, so negative 20, right?
Yeah, negative
Okay, square root of 64.
8.
8.
Square root of 361.
19.
19.
The square root of negative 10,000.
Negative 100.
Negative 100.
No solution.
You think he's Sebastian?
You can't
No solution.
have a negative on the inside. Okay, square root of 25 over 225.
5 16.
Jeez.
You have to simplify. Don't let a 6th grade concept make it wrong. Okay, G, square root of 49 over 196.
That's going to be 7 to 7, 14.
So that's 1 half.
1/2. You have to simplify. Okay, the square root of negative 81 over 400. That's right off the bat. You see that negative on the inside? It's no solution. Okay, I have a negative on the outside though, so it
Negative 36.
follows along.
Negative 6.
Negative 3. Negative 6.
Okay.
3 first.
No, what number goes into 6 and 8?
2.
2.
2, so negative 3 fourths. Okay, square root of 100 over 10,000.
That's going to be 10. Next, wait, yeah, 10.
Okay, now think of the zeros. So yeah, you cut them in half because we would add the zeros in the end. So what times what is
10 times 10.
1? And then 4 zeros, so we cut it in half, so it would be 2 zeros. Okay, and what's 10 over 100?
10.
Okay, K, square root of negative.
Oh, solution.
All right, you guys know that. Okay, negative square root of 0.0196.
That is going to be negative 14.
All right.
Negative 0.14.
Yeah, there's 4 decimal places, so we know there's going to be 2 in our answer, and 14 makes 196. Good. Okay, the square root of 0.49.
0.7.
Good. Okay, square root of 0.0361.
0.0, no, 0.24.
Okay, if you ever have trouble with this, just remember,
19.
you'll have 2 decimal places to make 4 in your perfect square. Now,
0.09.
and 19 times 19. And the last one, square root of 0.25.
0.5.
No, just 0.5 to give you 0.25. All right,
Number 14.
that's it. No, 12 and 13, we're done. See ya. Say goodbye. Bye.
Bye.